Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to set up your Tradetron static IP in your RMoney Symphony account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to visit the Tradetron's website. Here you have to go to the brokers and exchanges option and make sure that you have added RMoney Symphony as your broker. Once it's done, you'll see the option of static IP. So Tradetron offers multiple plans which you can choose as per your requirement. So once you select the plan, click on buy static IP and then complete the payment. So once your payment is complete, you will receive your static IP. See, now here's your static IP. And now you need to go to the RMoney's website, which is rmoneyin.com. And now you have to click on platform and now click on Rocket API. Here you have to click on get API document. Once you do that, you need to log in into your account. So here you need to make sure that your APIs are already created. So if you don't know how to create your XTS API, we have already created a separate video. You can check that out. So once you're on the API dashboard, in the interactive order API, click on update IP. And here in the primary IP section, enter the static IP which you have received from the Tradetron. So once it is entered, if you have the secondary API, you can add that too. Once done, click on save. And in the Postback URL, paste the URL which you have received from the Tradetron and then click on Save IP. Now your API access is properly configured and you're good to go. If you have any doubts or questions, you can reach out to our support team or comment down below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.